Dali.
Nakarecord niya.
Happy birthday, my wife.
Paano ba pag-reverse nito?
Glow na.
Yay!
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ulit! Replay!
Replay. Ah, okay. Okay.
Ilang muna.
Yun siya. Ano dito? Kailangan lagay mo to. Ibaliktad mo yan.
Paano ko babaliktad to?
Ibaliktad mo lang.
Teka,
Ah.
hindi natin noong kanina.
Ah, okay. Eh, dalagay mo to.
Paano ko kakabit to?
Akin na, hawak mo yun.
Paano ba ito? Hindi ko alam.
Aray ko dahil.
Happy birthday! Ay, hindi pala shoot.
Teka
Pala, ano yung buhok?
Mm.
Yan.
Ayun. Ang bigay ni asawa.
Pwede meron. Pwede yung luwit dito kung sakali mo tapos. Pwede yung mahaba pa dito na kami.
Pwede naman siya paigsiin pa. Okay pa. Ah. Hinahanap po sa damas ah. Okay.
Ulit-ulit. To you. Ayan.
Happy birthday to you, oh happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus' love every day of the year. Oh happy birthday to you, oh happy birthday to you. And the best year you've ever had. Oh happy birthday to you, oh happy birthday to you.
Maglalagay na lang ako ng
May
ano.
you feel Jesus'
Kanta daw
love
siya, no?
every day of the year. Oh happy
Yan.
birthday to you, oh happy
Okay.
birthday.
Okay, happy birthday. Cut na.
Ever had. Happy birthday to you, to Jesus be true. God bless you and give you the whole year through. Happy birthday to you, to Jesus be true. God bless you and give you the whole year through.
Pampaya to.
Happy birthday to you.
From my colleague, from Paul, from my asawa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ano? Ay, lag na siya oh.
Kaya nga, Hapsi, kaya ilagay sa rep yan eh. Sa freezer muna.
Pero ano siya, pwede siya vlog.
Oo, ayun. Okay? Okay na. Happy birthday!
Love you. Surprise!